Hello everyone. In this video you are going to learn about how to use lookup function to find year over year percentage growth in Tableau. So lookup function is used to look up values within a table to find values from selected range either from start of the partition or from the end of the partition. So the value fetched is based on offset value which defines the position either positive or negative from current row. So let's use lookup function to find year over year percentage growth. So in this view, these are the sales of year 2022 and these are the sales of year 2021. So using lookup function in calculated field, I have got these previous year sales next to this column, and I have subtracted the previous year sale from the current year sales, and I have find this year over year percentage growth. So assume this is a current row that 83,829, and I have used this expression sum of sales, and I have given the offset value is minus 12. So 12 rows prior to this sum of sales values 83,829 is 96,999. So 96,999. So you will get this value next to the current value. So similarly, current value is 1,18,448, and prior 12 rows of this value is 79,412. So from here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So you will get this value next to this current value using lookup function in the calculated field. So it means you will get the previous year sales just next to this current sales, so that you can easily find out the year over year percentage growth. So let's go to Tableau, and first I will drag order date into row shelf, and let me expand this, and I will remove this. So let me drag the sales into text. So these are the current year sales. I will get the previous year sales or the values next to this column, so that I can compare the current year and previous year sales easily. So create a calculated field, and I will name it as previous year sales, and I will use lookup function. So sum of sales, and I will give the offset value as minus 12. So these are the sum of sales, and I have given the offset value as minus 12. So assume this is a current row, and offset value is minus 12, so it will look for the pre-year 12 rows. So this is the value I am going to get next to this value in another column. So let me click on OK, and I will just drag this calculated field, click on show me, and click on text. Let me swap rows and columns. So just drag this bar. So this is the sales of year 2022 in the month of December. So you will get this value here, which is sales of year 2021 in the month of December, so that we can compare this year and last year sales easily, and we can find year over year percentage growth. And now create another calculated field to find year over year growth. So I will name it as year over year percentage growth. So sum of sales minus previous year sales. So click on OK, and drag this calculated field in the row shelf. Let me swap this axis. So you will get the difference between current year sales and previous year sales is 13,170. And now we are going to find all these values in percentage to find what percentage of sales increased when compared to previous year. So let me use calculator to explain you in detail. So this is sum of sales of this year. So 118,448 minus previous year sales is 79,412. 79,412 is equals to 39,036. Okay, so this value, and we are going to get it in the percentage. So divided by the previous year sales is a previous year current month in the November sales is 79,412. So 79,412 is equals to 0.49 to get it into percentage. So into 100 is equals to, so the percentage growth increase is 49% when compared to this year sales and last year sales in the month of November in 2022. So let's do it in our calculation. So edit this calculation and wrap it into the brackets. So divided by previous year sales. So click on OK. So let me format this. Click on format. Change this to percentage. Okay, so we will get this value 49.16% growth when compared to last year. So this is how to use lookup function in Tableau. Thanks for watching. Please do subscribe and like this video.